Hi Math Gang! So in this video I'm just going to show you how to go about starting the transformation functions lab. So I'm already in Desmos. I didn't sign in, I'm here as a guest, so it asked for my name, but you don't need to sign in or create an account with Desmos. You can just come in as a guest. So here I am on the first slide, and in Desmos you can go forwards and backwards using the arrows up above. And the instructions on this screen is, on each of the following screens, your task is to transform the black graph so it matches the red graph. So I'm going to click ahead. Challenge number 1. The graph of fx is shown in black. In row 2, which is right here, write an equation in terms of fx to match the red graph. So f of x is here, and what do I need to do to that to match it onto the red graph? And then the hint is, for example, try something like f of x plus 3, f of x minus 2, or 4f of x. So I'm adding 3 to the function, I'm subtracting 2 from the x, or I'm multiplying the function by 4. So I'm just going to do the first one and see what happens. F of x plus 3. And you can see over here that it placed my graph too far above the red. So it shouldn't be 3. Maybe I need to do a little bit less than 3. 2. That worked out. So what you can see here is that when I did it to 3, I actually moved 1, 2, 3 units up. If I did minus 3, I'm moving 3 units down. And that's the object of this lab, is to see how different transformations affect the parent graph. So we see that when you add or subtract from the function, you're either moving the function up or the function down. Now if I had started out with, let's say, doing f of x minus 2, you can see that I'm moving the graph to the right by 1, 2 units horizontally. So that's the idea of this challenge, is moving the parent graph by doing transformations of f of x. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put in f of x plus 2, and you can see that it moved up 2 and the shape remained the same. So I'm going to move to the next slide. Now I need to move down. So I learned that from the last one, that if you're going to want to move down, you want to subtract 2 from the function. And that moved it down. So that's how you want to keep moving through the slides, is trying different transformations on your functions. Make sure you look at the hint below as you go through. So good luck with this lab. I hope you learn a lot just by playing with the numbers. And if you have any questions, post on the Q&A. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.